In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved posts on LinkedIn swiftly and efficiently. Let's dive in and make sure you can revisit all those important articles and updates you've bookmarked for later. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website by going to linkedin.com. This is your starting point for accessing not just your professional network, but also the myriad of posts you've taken a special interest in. Once you've reached the LinkedIn homepage, it's time to sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account if you have them linked, or by entering your email address and password directly. It's always a good idea to ensure these details are correct and up to date to avoid any login issues. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. They'll usually send a code to your registered phone number, so have that device handy. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure and protecting your personal information. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Clicking on this will give you access to various settings, but let's focus on finding your saved posts. Next, you'll want to click on the View Profile option. This takes you to your profile page where you can update your professional information, but for now we're interested in your saved posts section. Scroll down until you find the Resources section. It might be towards the middle or bottom of the page, depending on how much information you've filled out on your profile. Within the Resources section, look for a link that says Show All X Resources. This link will expand to show you more options that are geared toward your activities on LinkedIn, including learning resources and posts. Click this link to proceed to the list of resources. Finally, from the extended list, find and click on Saved Posts and Articles. Here you'll see a collection of all the articles and posts you've saved, making it easy to revisit and read them at your convenience. You can peruse this list anytime you want to refresh or find inspiration. And there you have it, a complete guide to accessing your saved content on LinkedIn. Whether for professional development or just keeping up with industry news, this feature keeps you organized and informed. Remember, keeping this content just a click away can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience. Thank you for joining me and happy networking.